take it to a manufacturing thing, probably across the country.
Exactly.
What does that do to your timelines? What does that do to your quality control?
Absolutely. And imagine the supply chain strategy that you had to put in place, because these samples has to travel, the products has to travel back and forth. In this case, what we're doing is a patient is traveling to the location and they're getting what they needed, and it's there.
So have we gotten far enough to talk about some of the specifics of this? Is it going to be sort of like state by state and province by province, there's going to be a hospital with a manufacturing capability on the premises? Like, is that how they make this work at scale?
I think we are maybe a little bit too early to have that type of discussion, but I would imagine that it will be hospital by hospital, right? Because that's actually what I have seen over the last years of some of the programs that are being formed, right? And with the technology and the physicians being able to go out and practice at the clinical level, these programs are putting them into their clinical operations.
Well, I mean, it's still very exciting that the conversation has now moved to the right way to do this instead of can we do this?
Yeah.
That's very exciting. I know another one of the updates that you've mentioned to me recently that I'd like a little bit more on is the idea of cell and gene therapy working in parallel with other treatments and other assets needing to be involved in it. And I wonder if we can get an update in that space.
Absolutely. So one of the very interesting things that we have been dealing recently with compliance architects and some of our clients is the process of combination products, right, in cell and gene, right? What we have observed and what we have seen and what we are supporting some of our clients is the fact that the delivery mechanisms, they are complicated delivery mechanisms, right? And they are starting to be medical devices. So you have a biological system, like a biological product, cell and gene product, that has to be administered through or utilizing a medical device. So this is now becoming a combination program. Now, when we're looking at this from a quality management system point of view, right, and how do you then put the right quality infrastructure